In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mautic decisions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a decision to a campaign and use it to react to your contact's actions, like submitting a form. A decision in Mautic is a branching point. It checks whether a contact did something you care about, then sends them down the yes or no path accordingly. This is essential for building responsive, personalized automations. Start by signing into your Mautic account. From the dashboard, head to Campaigns. This is where all of your automations live. Find the campaign you're working on and open it. If you manage multiple campaigns, a quick filter or search can help you locate the right one fast. Inside the campaign, click Edit. You'll be brought to the campaign's configuration where you can adjust settings. Next, launch the Campaign Builder. This opens the visual canvas where you can add, connect, and organize the logic of your campaign. If your campaign is already live, that's fine. Mautic lets you update the structure safely, but it's still a good habit to review changes before you publish them. On the canvas, click the plus icon where you want to add the new step. Placement matters. Decisions typically sit after a source or action so they can evaluate what happened next. From the options, choose Decision. This tells Mautic you want to evaluate a contact's behavior or event. You'll be prompted to select a trigger for the decision. For this walkthrough, choose the option that checks when someone submits a form. This is one of the most common decision points because it lets you branch based on confirmed engagement. Give your decision a clear, descriptive name. Something like Submitted Contact Us form works well. Good naming makes it easier to understand your campaign at a glance later. Then select the specific form that should trigger the decision. Pick the form from the list provided. If you don't see it, make sure you're working in the correct segment of your account and that the form exists in Mautic. Choosing the right form is critical, as this is what determines the yes path. When everything looks correct, click Add. Your decision will appear on the canvas, ready to be connected to the next steps. From here, you can route contacts differently based on whether they submitted the form or not, allowing for targeted follow-ups and more effective nurturing. That's it, you've added a decision to your Mautic campaign and configured it to trigger on form submission.